Welcome to A Spirit of Mind. Thank you for choosing to spend this time with me today. This meditation is for anyone who is ready to explore the healing power of forgiveness. Whether it's forgiveness for yourself or someone else, this practice will guide you gently toward release, healing, and peace. If you enjoy this meditation, please consider subscribing to A Spirit of Mind for more mindful journeys, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to meditate on next. Your voice is so important in shaping this space. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes softly and allow your body to settle. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest rise, and exhale slowly, letting your body relax. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, release any tension you might be holding in your shoulders, your jaw, or anywhere else in your body. This is your time to simply be. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, bring to mind the idea of forgiveness. Forgiveness is not about excusing or condoning what has happened. It's about releasing yourself from the weight of pain, anger, or regret that might be holding you back. It's a gift of freedom you give to yourself. Take a moment to gently reflect on someone or something you feel ready to forgive. This might be a person, a situation, or even yourself. Whatever comes to mind is perfect. If nothing specific arises, that's okay too. This practice will still guide you to a place of peace and release. Now imagine that you are holding this memory or feeling in your hands. See it there, resting gently in your palms. Notice its weight, its texture. Does it feel heavy? Does it feel sharp or smooth? Simply observe without judgment. As you hold this feeling or memory, say to yourself, I acknowledge this pain. I honor the lessons it has taught me, and I am ready to let it go. Feel the tension begin to dissolve as you exhale deeply. Visualize the memory or feeling transforming into something light, like a wisp of smoke or a gentle breeze. Watch it begins to drift away, carried by the wind, leaving you feeling lighter and freer. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or minimizing what has happened. It means choosing peace over pain. It means releasing the hold that hurt has over you so that you can move forward, unburdened. If you're forgiving yourself, imagine your heart glowing with warmth and love. Remind yourself you are human, that you are allowed to make mistakes, and that you are deserving of the same compassion you would offer to someone you love. If you're forgiving someone else, picture them standing at a safe distance from you. They may look as they did when the hurt occurred, or they may simply appear as an outline of light. Say to them, silently or aloud, "I release the grip of pain." I forgive, not for you, but for my peace. Feel the space between you and them begin to soften, and allow yourself to breathe deeply into this release. The weight begins to lift, and you are left with a sense of calm and freedom. Now bring your attention to your heart. Feel its steady, loving rhythm. With each beat, it whispers to you, "You are enough." You are loved. You are free. Let this warmth spread throughout your body, filling you with a deep sense of peace. Take a moment to reflect on the courage it takes to forgive. Recognize that this act of release is a profound step in your journey toward healing and growth. By letting go, you are creating space for more love, more joy, and more light in your life. As we close this meditation, take a deep breath in, feeling the fresh energy of forgiveness flow through you. Exhale slowly, knowing that you are leaving this practice lighter, freer, and more at peace than before. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this powerful practice of forgiveness. If this meditation resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to A Spirit of Mind. I'd love to hear how this meditation has helped you or what you'd like to explore next. So feel free to leave a comment. As you move forward, remember that forgiveness is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Be kind to yourself and trust that every moment of release brings you closer to lasting peace and freedom. You are worthy of love, healing, and happiness. Take this peace with you and carry it into your day. See you back next time. Have a beautiful day ahead.